Yo, what's up, Tech Fam? It's Vicky here, and we're diving headfirst into the hottest phone of the moment, the Vivo X100 Pro 5G. But is it really a flagship slayer or just hype? Let's crack this bad boy open and find out. First things first, unboxing this beast is an experience. Sleek box, premium materials, it screams luxury. Now, let's talk design. This phone is a head-turner. Curved 6.78-inch AMOLED? Check. 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling? Check. HDR10 plus colors that practically pop off the screen? Triple check. But the X100 Pro isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, we've got the MediaTek Dimensity 9300, a processor that laughs in the face of lag. 16 GB of RAM? Multitasking like a boss? Smooth gaming even on the highest settings? This phone can handle it all. And then there's the camera. This isn't just a phone camera, it's a photography studio in your pocket. Triple 50MP setup, main sensor, telephoto zoom, and ultra-wide. Low light shots? f/1.75 aperture says no problem. OIS for shake-free clarity? You got it. This phone captures moments like no other. Gamers, rejoice! The X100 Pro is your new weapon. Blazing fast performance, silky smooth visuals, and a battery that refuses to die, 5,400 mAh with 100W fast charging. You'll be dominating leaderboards in no time. So, is the Vivo X100 Pro 5G worth it? Honestly, it depends. If you crave the best of the best and want a phone that pushes boundaries, then yes, absolutely. It's a flagship killer in every way. But if you're on a tight budget or don't need all the bells and whistles, there might be better options. Ultimately, the X100 Pro is a statement piece. It's powerful, it's gorgeous, and it's gonna turn heads. Whether it's the right phone for you, well, that's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, you won't regret checking it out. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech madness. And until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and stay awesome.